Good to see you again, everyone. You're listening to Entrepreneur Cyberspace Guide. I'm your host, Andre.
And I'm your host, Jan Milbin. I am Jan Milbin Anyorame Pranam. Today's topic, we discuss all about the ethical digital marketing. So, because how you sell matters, this is what how you sell. So, today, let's welcome comeback guest today, specialist and expertise about the topic for today. Let's welcome again, Mr. Lunyo.
Glad to be here again, sir.
Welcome back, Mr. Lunyo.
Welcome
for
back.
Today.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Lunyo, before you pin up the topic, can you elaborate the topic first?
Ethical marketing is about building long-term trust, not quick wins.
So, what's a red flag about the in online marketing?
Example of red flag in online marketing: clickbait titles, peak urgency like only tulip, or misleading ads. This might get clicks, but they hurt your brand.
Oh, okay. So, what's the better way?
Be honest. Tell people exactly what your product does. Use real testimonials and don't manipulate data or reviews.
So, also, what about the partnership about the influencer partnerships?
Disclose all paid content. Transparency earns respect. Don't hide sponsors, deals, or exaggerate results.
Oh, okay. So, and the trends entrepreneurs should watch.
Short form video is huge, but keep it authentic. Also, community driven content like live Q&As or customer stories builds deeper connection.
It's very useful. So, in deeper connections, it is effectiveness.
Absolutely. People trust honest brand, and trust drives loyalty and referrals.
Oh, okay. Powerful stuff. Thanks, Mr. Lunyo.
So, next time we'll explore tools that help you grow ethically and efficiently. So, thank you for the all of this and from first episode to last episode. Thank you everyone for listening. So, thank you Mr. Lonyo
Thank you.
for
sir.
this
Thank you,
giving
Mr.
an
Lunyo.
advice for our listeners. Thank you for this and once again everyone, see you on next topic and future soon and thank you. See you.
Bye-bye.